Tornadoes. A tornado is a swirling funnel of wind. These very strong windstorms come down from the clouds. When the funnel touches the ground, it is a tornado. Tornadoes usually happen in spring and summer storms. Warm air masses meet cold air masses. Wind spins the air into a funnel cloud. The tornado spins in the air very fast as it moves along. Tornadoes happen all over the world. Hundreds of tornadoes form each year in the central United States. This area is known as Tornado Alley. Strong tornadoes destroy anything in their paths. Strong wind uproots trees, spinning wind rips the roofs off buildings. Even cars and trucks can be blown about and smashed by tornadoes. Tornado warnings on TV and the radio help people stay safe. Listen to the sirens. Listen for sirens outside during a warning. Go to the basement or a windowless room outside. Lie down in a ditch. Think about it. What did you learn about tornadoes? Tornadoes usually happen in spring and summer during storms. What are some ways we can prepare for them and keep us safe if one happens? Go to the basement and keep away from windows. What are some ways you could prepare or keep yourself safe from a tornado? Watch the news for warnings and dig a ditch to hide if you can.